The P2 Power Systems IGBT-based current conditioner is a programmable device that is designed to provide a pure, high-fidelity, distortion-free power to large electrical equipment. It is installed in facilities where such equipment is used, and it can be customized to provide high currents to loads such as inductor welders and three-phase motors. Current conditioners using insulated gate bipolar transistor or IGBT devices have been in broad use since the early 1980s. Though invented in 1969, they did not operate over a wide current range until 1982. The primary purpose of IGBT-enabled current conditioners is to allow relatively fast semiconductor-based switching that controls the amount of current delivered to electrical equipment.
Active filter technology works on the principle of enhancing the power quality for electrical systems. In order to enhance the quality of power, it senses the actual requirement of the load current and breaks it down into various components like power factor, harmonics, neutral currents and load currents. Based on these four parameters, it analyzes the requirement of the load and injects all the unnecessary part of the current from its side, except the fundamental current which comes from the source. So using this technology, we are able to basically eliminate all kinds of pollution which is being caused by these automation systems.
The technology could be used in power-intensive industries like printing press, steel plants and rolling mills, cement units, textile mills, spinning mills, windmills and railways. In addition, it has major applications in sophisticated industries like data centers, medical R&D units, process industries, defense applications, tech parks and industrial automation. Commercial complexes and hotels could also be potential customers due to increasing energy costs.
This technology, because it removes the grid pollution and it automatically improves the efficiency of the overall electrical system. So when we improve the efficiency of the electrical system, your energy efficiency comes into picture, and basically your energy consumption for the industries, for the commercial establishments, for residential establishments comes down. And when you're reducing the energy consumption, automatically you're reducing the carbon footprint, you're improving the overall environment.
The technology is beneficial as it is compatible with all sources like generators, real-time sensing of the load requirements, makes the product very consistent in its performance and virtually maintenance-free. The technology had found a pride of place in the FICCI DST Lockheed Martin India Innovation Growth Program.
FICCI India Innovation Growth Program was a great initiative to actually promote our product and create awareness about this technology in the market. It helped us communicate our product to a lot of people across India, across industries, across people who would be interested in our technology to either do a technology transfer or do a commercial tie-up or a marketing tie-up. And using the base of FICCI, we were able to get in touch with quite a few big industrialists who were interested in commercializing the technology, and that's how things did change after post the Innovation Growth Program.